Thank you, everybody. For my first trick, I'd like to do,
The hanky trick.
oh yeah, my tricky Hank. My hanky trick.
I know you know the magic words. What are they? A little louder. Hocus pocus. You got it.
Hocus pocus.
The color pattern is supposed to be red, blue, yellow, purple. Is the pattern correct?
Red, blue, yellow, purple.
You betcha! Now, Goofy the Great will make the 3 of hearts and the 7 of hearts magically appear. What are the magic words again?
Hocus pocus.
Look, the number 3 card has 3 hearts. And the number 7 card has 7 hearts.
We're getting good at this.
Goofy the Great will now make 2 doves disappear. We have 6 doves. If 2 doves disappear, how many doves will be left? 4. Right.
Gorge, I hope we can do it.
What are the magic words again?
Hocus pocus.
Did 2 doves disappear? Yup. So how many are left? 4. Right.
Greatest magic trick of all, Goofy's Great Liftoff!
Are you ready, Goof?
Ready for liftoff? Hocus pocus. Hocus pocus. Hocus pocus.
Yikes! Goofy said the magic words too many times. We need to get him down before he floats away. Quick, who do we call when we need a mouse-catool?
Gorge, wow.
Which?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for north central Sussex County in southern Delaware, southeastern Kent County and central Delaware until 5:30 p.m. At 4:57 p.m., severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Milford, or 15 miles north of Georgetown, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Milford, Harrington, Big Stone Beach, and Houston. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Which mouse-catool haven't we used? The rope. Can we use the rope to get Goofy down? We sure can. We've picked all our mouse-catool. Everybody say, super cheers!